Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapeeth High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 2, Health and Diseases. Part B, Infectious Diseases. At last, we are seeing infectious diseases, that diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, or vectors like insects, other animals are called infectious diseases. In B part, we are seeing non-infectious diseases. Let's see the definition. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contact are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. Now we are seeing first, that is non-infectious disease, cancer, second diabetes, and third heart diseases. First, cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Let's see in this figure growing of cancer cell. These are normal cells. This is that cancerous cell, that is tumor cell. When growth of this cell, there are formation of malignant cancerous cells. So, group or lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Malignant tumor. Malignant means घातक. Tumor गाठी. घातक गाठी. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. These are normal blood cells, and these having the cancerous, that is called leukemia. Hence, cancer can occur many or various organs like these. Reasons of cancer: at upper side, consumption of tobacco or gutka. Second, smoking, alcoholism. Lower side, lack of fiber content, that's fruit and leafy vegetables in our food. So there is lack of these fruits, then leafy vegetables. Lack means कमतरता असणे. Next to that, excessive consumption of junk food. Excessive, जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये junk food like pizza and burger are some of the many possible reasons, and also heredity may also be a reason for the cancer. Then symptoms of cancer. First, chronic cough, जुनाट खोकला, hoarse voice, that is rough voice, difficulty in swallowing, गिळणे, गिळण्यासाठी त्रास होणे, incurable scars and inflammation. Third, lump in breast, and fourth one, unexplained weight loss. So these are the symptoms of cancer. Do you know modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer? Various technique like CT scan, MRI scan. So this is MRI scan. Then mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer in case of treatment along with conventional method like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery. Modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery etc. are also followed. So this is the modern, that the laparoscopic surgery. Then always remember, controlled diet help to prevent some type of cancers. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. So avoid addiction, avoid टाळणे addiction like tobacco, chewing, smoking etc. So this is the growth of cancerous cell that are shown in this figure. Second, diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas control the level of sugar, glucose in blood. So pancreas स्वादुपिंडामध्ये इन्सुलिन हे हार्मोन तयार होतं. What is the role of insulin? If insulin is secreted low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called diabetes. So let's see what is diabetes. That insulin, the role of insulin is that insulin convert glucose, that is the one type of sugar, into energy. But in diabetic patient, the insulin quantity is so low, hence there is disorder in controlling the level of glucose, hence glucose is get increased. This is called the diabetes. Then the symptoms of diabetes. Symptoms: first, frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Reasons for diabetes, that is, some genetic characters or traits are coming from parents to offsprings, that is called heredity. Diabetes may be heredity. Obesity, lack of physical exercise, व्यायामाची कमतरता, mental stress, मानसिक तणाव. So these are the reasons for diabetes. Then preventive measures: follow proper diet, medicine, exercise under the supervision of doctor help to keep diabetes under control. Then do you know, India has largest number of diabetic patients in the world. At present, approximately 7 crore patients are present in our country. Third, heart diseases. Efficiency of heart decreases. हृदयाची कार्यक्षमता कमी होणे due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen nutrient supply to heart muscles. So there is decreased blood supply and oxygen supply due to decreased efficiency of heart, here heart disorder. Due to this, heart has performed more work that leads to stress on it स्ट्रेस ताण येणे. दिस मे causes heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. So in this case there is disorder in heart, hence immediate consultation of doctor is necessary here. Then always remember, each disease has specific scientific reason. Scientific reason, शास्त्रीय कारण. Diseases do not occur due to divine curse. Divine curse means दैवी शाप. दैवी शापाने डिसीजेस रोग होत नाहीत. और हेटिंग बाय एनीवन, एखाद्याचा द्वेष केल्याने सुद्धा होत नाहीत. डिसीजेस कॅन बी क्युअर्ड बाय प्रॉपर मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट. योग्य वैद्यकीय उपचाराने डिसीजेस बरे होतात. अँड नॉट बाय चांटिंग मंत्राज, मंत्र जप केल्याने, और परफॉर्मिंग मॅजिक ट्रिक्स किंवा जादुई उपचार केल्याने हे बरे होत नाहीत. तर प्रॉपर मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट इज सो इम्पॉर्टंट इन द डिसीजेस. देन रिझन्स ऑफ हार्ट अटॅक. फर्स्ट, स्मोकिंग, अल्कोहोलिझम, डायबिटीज, ओबेसिटी लठ्ठपणा, हायपरटेन्शन, उच्च रक्तदाब, लॅक ऑफ फिजिकल एक्झरसाइज, व्यायामाची कमतरता, हेरिडिटी, अनुवंशिकता, मेंटल स्ट्रेस, मानसिक तणाव, अँगर, ॲनेक्झिटी मीन्स चिंता. सो these are the reasons of heart attack. For heart diseases, treatment: angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stents, and heart transplant. Then always remember, first aid for heart diseases. First, call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking shoulders. Keep the patient laying on back in horizontal position of hard surface and perform compression only life support, that is COLS. That you keep patient laying on back in horizontal position on hard surface, that is COLS, that is compression only life support. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. Let's see here. Press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. So this is the first aid for heart diseases. Up to this we are studying non-infectious diseases. First, cancer, second, diabetes, and third, heart diseases.